My name is Leonard Caltabiano. I live in the town of North Babylon. I've been living here since 1977, 42 years. And before I was introduced to Healthy Basement, we had a problem in our basement. The water kept coming in from under the ground, a seepage. And we tried with a sub pump, but that caused another problem. There was a lot of moisture and mildew on the walls and the floors. And we had a flood at one time, and it just ruined everything I had in the basement. My fishing gear, anything in cardboard boxes was completely destroyed. So we called Healthy Basement, and it was the best investment we ever had. We had mildew on the walls. We took care of the walls. They put up a plasterboard of some kind that all around the basement. The flooring was redone, and the best investment is it comes with a backup battery. Because at one time when I had the sub pump with the rain, the electricity went out, and that had a bigger problem with the flood. So with the backup battery, we didn't have to worry anymore about the electricity going out. And we've been very happy with this, the results. No more water coming in the basement.